Welcome to the OSM Tutorial Series. Today we're going to see just how easy it is to install Odoo using OSM. Ready to see it in action? Let's get started. First, go to the Instances tab and click the Install button. Now select the server, choose the instance's user, enter your domain name, put in your email for SSL, pick the Odoo version, and hit Install. That's it! Your Odoo installation has officially started. Want to see what's happening behind the scenes? Click the Installation Logs button, and there it is, live logs in real time. You'll see everything: cloning the GitHub repository, creating a Python virtual environment, installing dependencies, setting up the database, and linking your instance to your domain. And just like that, you've installed your very first Odoo instance using OSM. What now? Explore all the available actions to manage your Odoo instances with ease. That's how simple and powerful OSM really is. We'll dive deeper into each section in the upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.